a while? Yeah.
Oh, I do.
You know why I'm saying that? Because you're still wrenching it, you know. The other day I was in the automobile junkyard, and I'm an old timer. I used to work for Cadillac. I used to work for Otis Elevator, so everything was, I was used to wrenching everything like you're doing.
I got power tools.
Yeah.
You know, whatever.
So anyway, here's this guy next to me working on a car, taking off parts, and he had, you know, battery operated
got it out.
ratchet, you know. This is, you know, look at a young kid, you know. I said, oh man, that's great, you know. I said, but
if I got a lot to do, I'll break that stuff.
Yeah.
In a big rush.
yeah. That was pretty cool. He was alright. But
Break.
you know, to take stuff off, it was real easy, you know. But I remember I used to work for this here front end place, and a lot of the younger guys were used to the air ratchets and stuff like that. And they'd be doing like a transmission pan or something like that, strip out the bolts, you know, and I'm going, Jesus, you know, I just use the regular freaking ratchet, man. That shit won't happen.
Yeah, once you need to have it in the right sequence.
Yeah.
You can't have it all the way tight to one end and loose to the other.
Yeah, you know, and I was managing the place, you know, I'd be left hanging out, you know, putting a Hilliark in there, all the different shit, you know, because he didn't want to use the ratchet.
You can set the, you know, torque, and you can just get it snug and then finish them by hand.
Yeah, right. That's what I used to tell him. Just run it up, you know. You gotta kill it.
Close, we'll fine tune it once it's done. Yeah, the worst thing you can do on these things is use power tools on the set screws.
Yeah,
You know,
yeah, it's hollow.
tight is tight, you know?
Yeah.
We got little cutouts in the heads of these things that cut into the shaft.
Yeah.
Be any tighter than they need to be.
How many times you gotta wind it up?
7 turns.
7 as well?
7 is starting place, you know.
Yeah.
Could be 7, 7.5, you know. This one might be a little more. It's got glass, it's got insulation, so it might have a little extra weight on it. Account for. Eli got away with my other bar. That's what I'm using.
Yeah. They both have to be even, right?
Excuse me?
Both springs have to be the
Oh,
same.
no, it doesn't matter. You can have more on one than the other.
Yeah.
Because they both, like if you have 7 turns, there's 3 turns left on it when it's up, so. So if it's 3.5 on one and 3 on the other, it doesn't. Never gets to where one's fighting the other. Unless you were way off. You know, if you had 9 on one and 4 on the other, then it would get to where it was unwinding one and rewinding the other. It wouldn't work anyway, so. Alright, let's see where we're at. Perfect. got stripped down too. Oh, it says it's
Oh, well, how they did this, but it's inside.
here.
Yeah.
This wall probably wasn't to begin with. Yeah, go ahead. Alright, hit it again and we'll see if your gears are